It's time for some halal Chinese takeout. We're going to start by prepping some halal chicken thighs available at the link in the description below. I cut some of the excess fat off, then I decided I wanted to have strips this time instead of chunks, and I think it ended up working really well with the string beans. Now that the meat's all prepped, we'll start whipping up our marinade by combining 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of peanut oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Give that a thorough whisking, then we'll glove up and pour the marinade in with the chicken. Give that a nice massage in our little bowl until all the marinade has been absorbed. This will make our chicken really tender and juicy while also giving it some awesome flavor. Next, we'll prep the string beans. This is pretty simple. Give your beans a good rinse and chop off the ends. I decided not to cut my beans in half because I thought it looked nicer, but you could cut them if you wanted to. Now we'll whip up our sauce, and ladies and gentlemen, this is by far my favorite sauce that we have ever made. We'll start with 1 teaspoon of peanut oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 cup of halal chicken stock, and then we'll whisk that up until the sugar and cornstarch have dissolved. Set that aside, and then we'll get cooking. Start by putting about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil in a pan and get that hot. Once the oil is shimmering and moves like water, we'll add in our chicken and fry that until no pink remains and the chicken reaches about 165 degrees. Now we'll turn off the heat and remove the chicken to a clean mixing bowl. Without cleaning the pan, we'll add in our green beans. Stir fry those until they're covered in oil and have some nice little crunchy bits. Add in a little bit of water, then cover and steam until softened. This takes about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir these a bit while they steam to prevent burning. Now we'll add in 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic and cook that until fragrant. Once all the water is steamed out, we'll add in our sauce and bring that to a simmer. This will help cook out some water and activate the cornstarch so our sauce gets a little thicker. Stir that occasionally, and once the sauce is thick enough to leave a little trail when you push it around, we'll add in our chicken. Stir that up until the meat's fully coated in the sauce and is warmed back up. And that's it! Serve it up with some rice and Kaiser chicken spring rolls available at the link in the description, and we'll see you next time for another delicious halal recipe.